Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you are having a good time. This is your English teacher from Apple Group of Schools. So today we're gonna discuss about unit number 1, Elephant Non-Fiction. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about the non-fiction story about the English vet who worked in the teak forest of Burma, Myanmar in 1930s, and about the elephant, the she elephant, which he had previously treated for wounds inflicted on her back by a tiger. And the name of the she elephant was Makia. Makia was very grateful to him because he treated her back for continuously 3 weeks. And Makia fully trusted on him and gave him the way to treat her. So let's start for the other paragraphs for today. Open your paragraph number 4. Paragraph number 4, page number 10. Write down your date, put your pencils there, and let's start. But later on, when I suspected her, when I inspected her, I got a surprise. When I checked her, I got a surprise. I was amazed. She was last in the row, and I went over her back very carefully, kneading the wounds with my hand. And I found one little hole which still separated. When I checked her back, and she was last on the row, I went over her back very carefully. Kneading the wounds with my hand, I found one little hole which still separated means which still undergo the formation of pus or it's in the condition of fester. There was a great tenderness along a line 9 inches long where the wound had healed over. There was great tenderness along a line 9 inches long where the wound had healed over. It was undoubtedly infected. Tenderness means kindness, gentleness. There was a 9 inches long wound that had healed over. It was undoubtedly infected. Makia let me open it up to its full length there, and then although my doing so obviously gave her great pain, but she was the good patient. She bare that pain because she trusted him and she wanted him to treat her properly. That was still painful because that was separated yet. Paragraph number 5. This made me think over the incident again. I can never be quite sure. She came and showed me her back in order to tell me that it was still painful. Then he realized that when the Makia comes over to him in the previous paragraph, she actually wanted to show him her back in order to tell him that it is still painful. I have so much pain in my back. There is something wrong. But I am sure that she liked me, trusted me, and was grateful, and that we were very good friends now. So this was a non-fiction story about the Makia. This is pretty easy. So let's do the vocabulary question number 1 now. So you have to mark the answers of question number 1. Find the words in the text which match the following definitions. Number 1 is drips or tears. You have to find out the following definition of these words from your text. Please open your page number 9 and mark the first definition. It's on the paragraph number 1. Fifth line. In the early stages, mark it from here, number 1's definition. In the early stages, she suffered great pain, but although she made a lot of fuss, rather as an old child, 8 years old child might have done. This is number 1's definition, drips or tears. Number 2, application. Same paragraph. third last line, mark it from here. When she was sufficiently healed, I sent her back to the camp under a reliable bowman with instruction that she was to be given light dressing of fly repellent on the wounds. Done? Okay, now turn your page number 10 again. The third word is believe. Mark it from here, but I am sure, the last line, second last line, but I am sure that she liked me, trusted me, and was grateful that we were very good friends. Now the word oozed. Fourth, oozed. Mark it from here. Paragraph number 4, second line. I went over her back very carefully, kneading the wounds with my hand, and I found one little hole which still separated. I went over her back very carefully, kneading the wounds with my hands, and I found one little hole which still separated. The last one is diseased. Diseased. Mark it from here, please. After separated, mark it from here. There was great tenderness along a line 9 inches long where the wound healed over. It was undoubtedly infected. This is the fifth definition of this word. Disease. Mark it. Disease. There was great tenderness along a line 9 inches long where the wound had healed over. It was undoubtedly infected. So students, I guess this is it for today. You have to read the passage number 4 and 5 again, and you have to write down these words and definitions which I have given you, which we have marked today. You have to write it down in your notebook. This is your classwork. You have to write it down in your notebook by the proper date and mentioning your chapter. The words are ribs or tears, application, beliefs, ooze, and disease. You have to write it down in your notebook. From the text, the definition is given. I have marked you. I have given you the material. So this is it for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.